Welcome back. In this video, I will guide you how to insert square brackets in Word document. For this, you need to click on the insert, click on the symbol and click on the equation. And now put the backslash type lbrack and hit the space bar. And now type the word A and now click outside. And now again go to the insert, click on the symbol, click on the equations and now type backslash rbrack, hit the space bar and here it is. Another method is that you need to click on the insert, go to the symbol, click on the equations and now go to the bracket and click on the square bracket. Click inside the box and type the text. Now select the word, go to the home and remove the italic. So this way you can easily insert square brackets in Word document. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.